So if you have 60 ounces here and you want to get that to grams, how do you do it? Well, 1 ounce, that equals 28.35 grams. That's our conversion factor. We use that going from ounces to grams. So here we have 60 ounces. We're going from ounces to grams. We multiply by that 28.35 number, like this. And it's 28.35 grams, that equals 1 ounce. 28.35 grams per ounce. So that's why we're using our conversion factor here. We multiply, we have ounces on top and the bottom. That cancels out. So it's just 60 times 28.35 grams. Do the math, we get 1,701, and the units, that's grams, because that's all that's left. Ounces, it canceled out. That's how you do it. That's how you convert 60 ounces to grams. If you wanted to go from grams back to ounces, you just divide by this number. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.